you guys, I'm cooking cream of mushroom chicken today. This is Keisha, Lorraine's Treats and Things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Share with anyone and everyone. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so that was my ingredients. That was my chicken. This is my chicken seasoned. And yeah, let's go. I put a half a lemon, squeezed a half a lemon on there as well, you guys. This is the pan I could start it off with, but I did transfer it to the black cast iron skillet because I only had one pack, a little pack of chicken wings, little wingettes, just for me and one of my daughters. And so I am going to use the remnants in that pan though, because it's going to make that sauce taste a lot better. So as you can see it right here in the bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom chicken soup and the juice of 1.5 lemons as well. There you can see the lemon juice in there. And I'm going to stir this very well till it's all mixed together. And I'm going to pour it over that chicken you just seen and stick it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes, just till it gets that beautiful golden brown toasty color that I like. And you guys, the lemon in this, it's going to change your life. I promise you, this tang that it has is going to be amazing. And as you can see, the end results. Look at this. That looks so delicious, and it was. Just some rice. And as you can see, my finished plate, my broccoli is a little scorched, but it's okay because it really tasted good anyway. I don't like wasting food. Your waste is a want, as my great-grandmother used to say. But anyway, here's my finished plate, and here I go enjoying. Let's have a taste. Y'all, it's so hard to hold this and try to eat too. When I tell y'all the lemon, y'all gotta put the lemon in there. So good. Excuse all the noise. But I want to just pick it over my hand, but it's hot.
Beaming with joy.
So good. I forgot I had broccoli on because I was watching TikTok, so kind of squished at the bottom, so I had to take it off the top, but it still is good. Y'all gotta try this. So good. Yeah. I'm literally holding my phone, y'all. Anyways, I'm going to finish my food, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Lorraine's Treats and Things. Yes, I changed the name. That's the name I wanted to go with at the beginning anyway, but yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good Wednesday night, and I'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, peace.